What's up, guys? I wanted to show you guys this Husky work table I just picked up from Home Depot and why this is a must-have for your shop or garage. Let's get to it. The first obvious thing about this is that it's movable. That's right, it's on casters. So any direction or place in your garage you want to put this thing, it's easily movable. Now, although the casters are lockable, it also comes with a set of stationary feet in case you want to keep it in one place. And my favorite feature is the adjustable height. If you're sitting down, you can have it at 29 inches, or you can raise it all the way up to 42 inches and stand up while you work. Pretty nice. Now, these come in several different sizes, from 42 all the way up to 60 inches. This one's the 46-inch model, which is perfect for my shop. It's got good sturdy steel construction underneath. And as you can see, there's no frame on the outside edges here, which makes it easy to clamp your work down anywhere on the side of the table. And with the casters locked, it does feel pretty stable, but I wouldn't go putting anything permanent on here like a grinder or a drill press. Well, I hope the review was helpful, guys. It's an awesome table, so if you're looking for a shop table that moves around, I think this is a really good choice. Thank you for watching.